Welcome back. If you're looking for a new wallet, take a look at our explore.walletopia.info site. It has a fun interactive design to help you drill down lots of kind of filters to find your next wallet. We continued our look at Bellroy's new woven offering of wallets with now the Bellroy Note Sleeve on the desk today. So let's get into it. All Bellroy's products come in boxes these days. They've moved away from envelopes. Looks like here is the wallet. This is the note sleeve, as I mentioned. Let's take a look at it a little closer by way of some of the stitching and other design. This is the lichen color. It's obviously kind of a tannish green, it seems. Also comes in charcoal. The instructions that Bellroy is always so good to provide. Let's take a look at the interior. I like this move that they've been doing with the multi-colors. It just provides good texture and variety. Pull strap in here, which we'll take a look at. It works really, really well. Just like the other note sleeve that's leather. This will be fun to get into. Away we go. Now to the feature review of the Bellroy Note Sleeve Woven wallet. We look at the wallet. There are no appreciable features on the exterior. Nothing to interfere with that nice clean look. If we go to the interior, we can see we have 1, 2, and 3 quick access card slots. We also have here on the rear of the left hand side an access point for cards, more card slots here, and it has a pull strap for these archive cards that you might have here. So we move to the interior. We of course have our billfold pocket, and then we get into some fun. So on the back side we have this flap, and this flap right here is where you have another slot, and this is a slot for coins. That's why you have this flap here. You can of course put another card in there if you like, and then opposite of it we have kind of a hidden card slot right here. You can put 1, maybe 2 cards in here. And that is a quick review of the features of the Bellroy Note Sleeve Woven wallet. Now to the card and cash insertion test. Minimalist carry on this is 4, reasonable I'd say is 9. Here's the stack of cash, 11 notes here that fit just fine. All the currencies work. Company says it can hold 4 to 11 cards, and I put 8 in here. It seems to work just fine. This is designed in Australia and made in either India or the Philippines, depending on which manufacturing facility they use. It's a durable, water-resistant fabric that's made from 100% recycled nylon, and that's why you kind of got just 2 of the color options there. The color options, there's the Bellroy Bida nylon, which consists of a heat treatment on yarn. It creates a crinkle finish, and you can kind of see this, you can hear it for sure, and the crinkle finish, it just provides a great texture to it that is really nice to the touch and to the feel, and it gives you a little bit of resistance and friction, but I really quite like it. Now, as we see with all Bellroy products, they have double stitching in all the right places. You can see that right here at the top, at the bottom, because we have a rollover edge here on this particular wallet. And so with the double stitching we get in certain areas, it just ensures that it's not going to tear apart. And that's really important up here at the top when you're getting into the billfold, the cash pocket area in here, as you're constantly opening up. That reinforcement on both sides is really super important. Now the pull strap is really connected nicely as well and is reinforced like we see with other wallets. Fine, I always show it, so I'll do it. You can see right here how we have this bridge, and this material is, again, it's really quite durable, so I'm not seeing that this is going to tear away. And if we can see how it's secured on the top of this front pocket piece, it's really in there nicely, and so this isn't going to tear away after, I don't know, it'll take a long time unless you're really, really abusive with it. Aesthetically, Bellroy continues to present different visual and tactile embellishments, such as the accent, like I mentioned here in this color. We've also got the Bellroy logo here. And if we get back to the pull strap a bit, notice its color. It, again, provides some texture. It's different in color overall. The designers did a nice job on this, and you can see that we've got this double stitch on both sides. There is the Bellroy name there. It's not a raised 3D like we see on some of their wallets. It just keeps it very minimalistic but still very functional. It says it's RFID protected, I know, which is unfortunate as it must be in between this fabric somewhere, but regardless, we all know about what that means. It's priced for $79, and this is less expensive than the original note sleeve leather version by about 10 bucks. From a usability perspective, the placement of the features makes this an easy wallet to navigate. The bill fold height here, right here, accommodates all the currencies as we saw, albeit maybe a little tight, but they still fit and it doesn't feel like you're cramming currency in there. Great use of the quick card access slot features right here. The pull strap is really quite nice. This is a tight wallet that, in a good way, that makes getting access to cards, the cash, the coins, the little hidden slot there is really quite nice. And you don't really notice that the cards are in there. And the design problem that we had with the prior or the existing note sleeve on leather is that cards would catch on the little pull strap bridge as you're trying to push it in. And we didn't experience that with this. It measures 3.5 by 4 by 0.3. That is really tight. Love it. And it weighs 44 grams. My perception on this is it has a 3-year warranty, and I'm really liking this new material offering. I hope they keep this around for quite some time. Now on to the final score. For quality of 4, price of 3, features of 5. There's quite a bit going on here in such a small footprint. Usability of 4, perception of 4. That gives us a great score of 39 out of 50. Thanks for joining us. Look at these other videos, see if they interest you. We'll see you in the next review.